Has there ever been a moment when you questioned your worth, your beauty, or your strength? A moment when you felt less than confident? Well, there's a secret weapon to help you reclaim your confidence, and it's right at your fingertips. It's not just about colors and brushes, it's about empowerment and self-assurance. It's makeup. Imagine Jane, a woman who, like many of us, at one point struggled with her self-esteem. Then one day, she discovered the magic of makeup. She found that it was more than just a tool for enhancement. It became a way to express herself, to highlight her unique features, and to embrace her true self. Through the strokes of her brushes and the colors on her palette, she found her armor, her shield, her confidence. Now, Jane's story isn't unique. All across the globe, people are using makeup not to hide behind a mask, but to reveal their authentic selves. From everyday heroes to trailblazing artists, they've harnessed the transformative power of makeup to rewrite their narratives. Confidence, as they've discovered, isn't about conforming to beauty standards. It's about embracing your uniqueness, your individuality. It's about making a statement. That lipstick isn't just a shade, it's a declaration. The eyeshadow isn't just pigment, it's a proclamation. Through these stories of courage, we see the true essence of makeup, not as a mask, but as a mirror reflecting the strength within. So whether you're a seasoned makeup artist or just someone beginning to explore the world of cosmetics, remember this: makeup isn't just about beauty, it's about confidence. It's about self-love, self-acceptance, and self-empowerment. Because when you believe in yourself, when you embrace your unique beauty, you become an unstoppable force. So go ahead, let your makeup be your armor, your shield, your statement. Wear it with pride, wear it with confidence. Because your story, just like your makeup, is a work of art waiting to be revealed.